All right, good evening, everybody. My name is Mark Sabarola. I'm the founder and CEO at AutoServed. I'm joined by my co-founders, Galvin and Rovil at the back. I have been working in the automotive industry for almost 2 decades. And in my line of work, it's difficult to run businesses when your customers don't trust you. Primarily because of their past experiences having their car serviced at the car dealerships, right? And also, for the lack of information when they come in for servicing. So, slide please. Next, please. So we thought, hello. So yeah, there's this trust between the car owners and their shop and their service providers. And so we thought, what if there's an online platform that eliminates the drama prior, during, and after car maintenance and repairs, right? So what this platform will do is, slide please. It vets qualified shop and lists them down in a locality or in a city. It is a platform where customers can create a car profile for themselves and get maintenance schedule for the next 12 months. They will get multiple estimates from different shops without having to call each one of them. And the beauty of this platform is the customer just stays in the dashboard, are able to book an appointment, show up at the shop on the appointed time, pay there, review and rate their experience and a particular service provider. So next slide, please. That's what AutoServed does as a platform. For customers, it offers predictive maintenance technology where it arms customers with information about their maintenance in the next 12 months. It automates the job estimation. It helps customers select their preferred shops. It keeps the repair history, and it offers extended warranty to customers. For auto shops, it becomes a customer acquisition platform because they get listed if they're qualified. And again, they're able to access history of their customers. And it doubles as a shop management system for our auto shops. In the US, a company called OpenBay.com is a bidding platform for car maintenance and repair. Locally, a company called BeepBeep.ph has curated some 8,000 shops of different types and sizes, serving the 11.5 million vehicles registered last year at the LTO. 2.8 million of that vehicle is what we call the maintenance customers. They are our serviceable available market that produce 4 million repair orders per year. That translates to 38 billion in market size. AutoServe is targeting to process some 200,000 repair orders, or roughly 3% of that market size in the next 18 months, which leads us to 97 million revenue potential. The average maintenance spend is 4,635 pesos. Out of 199,000 repair orders processed by AutoServe, we are going to collect 10% of platform fee, which gives us 460 pesos average transaction fee per repair, which leads us to 97 million peso in revenue in the next 18 months. Because we are trying to address the trust and transparency issue of our customers that's bugging the industry, we are offering our customers predictive maintenance technology, which enables them with information. Again, we automate the job estimation, and the platform is not a price war platform, right? It ranks the shop based on their values that they provide to their customers. Next, please. Since we started programming a couple months back, we have registered 2,600 customers on our platform, 22 shops, and we're targeting to beta by next month. We're currently looking for 20 million in funding. 70% of that money will go to acceleration of platform development and customer acquisition and help us set us up for the next year. Next slide, please. Along with myself, I'm ably supported by my COO. Galvin is a pioneer in the local e-commerce website. Rovil is a 15-year veteran in the web development. We have our advisory board from tech and finance, automotive and marketing, startup and fintech. Ably assisted by our legal team, our business development and product development team. Ladies and gentlemen, with your help and investment, AutoServe is targeting to expand not just in the Philippines, but also in the Southeast Asia in the next 24 months. With that, thank you, and I'm prepared to receive your questions now.
I think I want.
It's not on.
Is this on? It doesn't. Yeah. So I would like every presentation to be like this. This is nice and easy to understand. Yeah.
Thank you.
You didn't say how much of the percentage, what company percentage you're giving out?
So the funding will be in the form of convertible note. The 20 million is going to be convertible note with 5% annual interest or 20% conversion in the next 12 months with 100 million peso in market valuation cap.
So you're doing a loan.
I'm sorry?
So it's a convertible loan.
Convertible.
Right? So 5%.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not very loud, by the way.
Do you have any? Do you have any tie-ups with the automotive manufacturers?
Not with manufacturers, but myself, I'm running a national franchise of automotive shops.
Okay. Because my question was, you're doing predictive maintenance analytics. Where does that information come from? Not the manufacturers?
From your owner's manual.
Oh.
You don't read that, right?
Okay.
So what we do is to translate that into something, and we call it predictive maintenance technology.
It's a labeling.
It's like you should be service, going for an oil change.
So we're doing the job for you of reading your manuals, essentially.
So as far as the shops, these are all independents?
Yes, sir.
You're targeting independents, not
Yes.
the dealerships?
No.
Okay.
How many independents are
There's a lot more than dealers,
Yeah,
because they're cheaper. Okay.
Yeah, I'm interested in this, so talk afterwards.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's hear.
That's it. Any other questions? So you got 3 minutes to spare? No? No other questions? Does everyone want to use the service? No?
Please register. Registrations are ready.
You have to hold it really close.
This is on the finance side. You said convertible. I'm an investment banker. So for argument's sake, you're talking about a mezzanine, no? So if it's a loan, what if you want to convert it to equity? What's the equivalent?
So we have a 100 million valuation cap in the next 12 months, right? So if we reach that valuation cap, if we reach 100 million or more, you automatically convert to
What discount?
25% roughly, because you get 20% discount of that valuation account by then.
Who else is interested in you?
I'm sorry.
Who else is interested in financing?
We have a couple of investors that we are negotiating with now.
So right now you own all of it? Do
I'm
you
sorry?
own all of it?
You own 100%.
No, I have 30%. My co-founders have 15 each.
Okay.
But the guy that's trying to get everyone to sign up.
Yeah, that's his job.
Is that you, is it?
One more question.
I found Mark. Yeah.
One more question. What's the convertibility feature? When can you convert to equity? Because I see more value in equity rather than a loan.
Yes.
So when can you convert to equity?
So you can convert once we reach that market cap or upon loan maturity.
Okay, so we're talking about what, 5 years?
No, 12 months. 12 months.
12 months.
Yeah.
So you're anticipating on growing really fast?
Yes.
Okay. Do you take Bitcoin?
All right.
All right.
Are we
Thank
there?
you very much for your time.